Hello. Hi, love. Finally, after everything we've been through, nandito na rin tayo. I am truly thankful and blessed to be standing here today in front of all our guests, our family, and of course, you, my love, the most beautiful, caring, and pure person I have ever met. There were times in my life when it felt like an eternity, trying to find someone I can truly be myself with. Someone I could share everything about me without judgment or prejudice. Someone who could see me at my worst and still love me unconditionally. May mga time na din na I'm asking myself, is it really possible na merong taong nakalaan para sa akin? There were also times when I almost totally gave up on love and decided to just focus on my career. But despite all that, at the back of my mind, I knew there was someone somewhere meant for me. Then one day, our stars crossed. From the very beginning, I knew there was something special between us. You know, that instant connection. That feeling of familiarity when we talk, and the peace and joy I felt every night as we shared our stories about life and our future. Everything felt right about you, and it was like the universe was telling me, ito na yon. Ito na yung matagal mong hinahanap, wag mo nang pakawalan. And yes, hindi talaga kita pinakawalan. Naalala ko pa nung papunta tayong ibang bansa for my planned proposal to you. Palipad na yung aeroplano natin and for some reason, sa dinami-dami ng travel experience ko, doon pa talaga ako tunay na kinabahan. And then I remember I held your hands tightly. And at that exact moment, I felt immediately at peace. I didn't even think that it is physically possible for our heart to feel that way instantly by just holding someone else's hand. That is the moment I knew without a doubt that you are truly the one for me. But it hasn't always been rainbows and sunshines. Sa loob ng almost 2 years ng pagsasama natin, napakarami na rin nating napagdaanan. It was never easy from the get-go. You know I have my issues. You know my pain and struggles. But despite all of that, you accepted me for who I am. You never gave up on me and stayed by my side despite all my flaws and insecurities. Your patience and love for me are boundless, and for that, I am truly blessed to have you in my life. Salamat sa pag-aalaga mo sa akin araw-araw. Salamat sa mga oras na kapag napipil ko na parang pinagsukluban na ako ng mundo or when I doubt myself, nandyan ka pa rin para yakapin ako. Tingnan ako sa mataas sabihin, magiging okay din ang lahat. Nandyan ka lang parati sa tabi ko. Which is why today, my love, I promise in front of all our guests, our family, and God above, that I will cherish you every day. I promise I will be by your side in both good times and bad. I promise I will be patient with you always. I promise I will be your strength and your comfort. And above all, I will always choose you in this lifetime and the next. I know no measure of time is ever enough, but let's start with forever.
Hi, love. Seryoso ba naman? Hi, love. From the moment I met you, my life changed in the most beautiful ways. Joke lang, that's not how I started love. The right term to describe our beginning is swipe right. Yes, I swiped right. Coming from a 10-year and me from a 5-year of being single, we matched in a dating app. We were there at the right time and circumstance. Who would have thought that just because of your shoes with a Mickey Mouse print will lead us to this special day, our wedding? Looking back at our journey, seeing you for the first time didn't give butterflies in my stomach. We both just greeted each other with a smile. As we walked to where we are going, stories came flowing naturally. You really are the person who taught me so many life lessons. You shared your experiences with me, your happy moments, and even your struggles, and I thank you for that. I thank you for trusting me. Thank you for being my best friend, my biggest supporter, and even my super persistent enemy. Kuha mo yung inis ko, but at the same time, you know how to handle me. A person like me who is so indecisive meets the super organized and planned guy. And I thank God that you are my partner. Love, I promise that I won't just be your match, but your partner in everything. Through joy and struggles, through wins and losses. Every day, I will choose to love you, just like we chose to take a chance on each other. I promise to keep you company sa mga concerts na gusto mo panoorin and to be your travel partner everywhere you want to go. Away but we will always try to work it out. You know me, hindi kita kaya tiisin. Lalo pag may kasamang suhol na pagkain. I am not materialistic, pero lagi dapat akong busog. I'll be your chicken wings if you are too low in life. I'll be the ramen to add happiness and flavor to our everyday life. Di man ako maalam magluto, pero may YouTube naman. Love, I love you. Just always know that I am here this day until forever. One hug will always ease your worries and put you to sleep. Let's face the future with God at the center and with you by my side. Love you, love.